Welcome back. You will notice in the settings area that the image generation model also has multiple models that you can test. We're going to test all three of the models to see if there are differences in the way that they generate images. Image generation is exclusive to the Pro version and not available in the free version. We're going to start the process with the playground model or the default model inside of the Pro version of Perplexity. We're going to ask a simple question. We're going to ask for an image from Perplexity. When you come to the Home tab and you put in your query, one of the things you're going to notice is that the model will typically tell you that this is not something that it can do, which is generate an image. The image generation area will then come up on the right side here. And so what you'll need to do is you'll need to then go to this area in order to generate an image. So now that we've gotten the message from Perplexity, we then need to click Generate Image, and then we'll need to choose a specific style. For this image, we're going to choose a photograph style, and we're going to allow Perplexity to generate an image photograph style. Once the image is generated, we can click on top of the image. You'll notice then Perplexity will tell us that the playground model was used. We can then download the image to our hard drive. There are differences in the other ways to create an image, and we will look at them in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.